Hello students, today we will see what is a band pass filter. Band pass filter. Basically a band pass filter is a combination of low pass filter plus high pass filters. Okay, so in band pass filter we will study T type and pi type of band pass filters. Okay, so firstly we will draw the T type of band pass filter. T type of band pass filter. So already I will mention band pass filter is a combination of low pass filter plus high pass filters. So here we will draw the T type of low pass filter. So here it is L by 2, C is there, and T type high pass filter, T type LPF, then so here 2C, 2CL, T type HPF. Okay, so we will combine to form a T type of band pass filters. So T type low pass filter and T type high pass filter will combine. That will form the T type of band pass filter. So we will combine this. So I will take it first. That is L by 2. Then again this 2C. Again I will take it this one and 2C and L by 2. Okay, this is series arm. So just check it, all four components are connected, L by 2, L by 2, L by 2, L by 2, then 2C, 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 and this will be the shunt arms. So in shunt arms we'll connected this in parallel configurations like this one. So here it is C and this is L. Okay, so just remember this will be T type band pass filters. Okay, that should be configuration of T type low pass filter plus T type high pass filters. Now similarly we will study that is pi type of high pass filters. So in pi type of high pass filters, basically it is a configuration of what we'll say that pi type of low pass filter and pi type of high pass filters. So firstly student will draw the pi type of high pass filter and pi type of low pass filters. So take this one as an activity. I will wait for 1 minute. So just draw the pi type of high pass filter and pi type of low pass filters firstly. So here pi type low pass filters. So in pi type series arm I have only inductor and shunt arm I have 2 capacitor. This is C by 2, C by 2. Okay, this is the pi type of low pass filter. Similarly we will draw the pi type of high pass filters. So in this one, in pi type, series arm I have a capacitor and shunt arm I have an inductor. This will be twice L, twice L. Okay, now combine this will form the band pass filters. Okay, how we will combine this? Series arm, there are two components L, C, and shunt arm have a two components. This will be in parallel. So this is C by 2, this is C by 2, twice L, twice L. Okay, so this will be the pi type of band pass filters. So here we will study the circuit diagram of T type of band pass filter and pi type of band pass filter. Again I will draw it. Band pass filter. So in band pass filter design, okay, I will draw the circuit diagram T type. So in T type already we will draw it. Okay, so this is L by 2, twice C, L by 2, then this will be C and this will be L. Okay, so we will mention L1, C1, C1, L1, this will be L2, C2. This will be the T type of band pass filters. Similarly, I will draw the pi type. So for pi type, for series arm we will write down L1 C1 and for shunt arm we will write down L2 C2. So you will write down L1 C1 twice L2 twice L2 C2 by 2 C2 by 2. Okay, so this is a pi type of band pass filters. Okay, now we will see what is the formula for L1, L2, C1, C2. We will check the formula what is L1, L2, C1, C2 because we have to design this particular band pass filter of T type and pi type. Okay, so for L1 we have the formula R0, that is the design impedance, R0 divided by pi F2 minus F1. F2 and F1 are two cutoff frequencies. Then for L2, F2 minus F1 R0 divided by 4 pi F1 F2. Okay, similarly formula for C1 equal to this R0, L2 equal to F2 minus F1 R0 divided by 4 pi F1 F2. C1 equal to F2 minus F1 divided by 4 pi R0 F1 F2. Okay, this F1 F2 are two cutoff frequency, R0 is a design impedance. Similarly, C2 equal to 1 upon pi R0 F2 minus F1. Okay, so these are the four formula L1, L2, C1 and C2. So L1, C1, C1, L1, C2, L2, like this one. Okay, so we have to solve one problem on band pass filters. So design a T and pi type of band pass filters. Student will write design a T and pi type of band pass filters having R0 equal to 4 kilo ohm and F1 equal to 1.25 kilohertz and F2 equal to 2 kilohertz. Okay, so we have to design T and pi type of band pass filter having R0 equal to 4 kilo ohm, F1 equal to 1.25 kilohertz and F2 equal to 2 kilohertz. Okay, so firstly we will write down the formula L1 equal to R0 divided by pi F2 minus F1. Similarly L2 equal to F2 minus F1 R0 divided by 4 pi F1 F2. Then C1 equal to F2 minus F1 divided by 4 pi R0 F1 F2 and C2 equal to 1 upon pi R0 F2 minus F1. Okay, so here L1 equal to R0, just put it 4 into 10 raised to 3, 4 kilo ohm, pi that is 3.14 into F2. F2 is 2k minus 1.25 k. Solve this, you will get 1.69 Henry. Similarly L2, just put the value. F2 is 2 kilohertz, F1 is 1.25 kilohertz, R0 is 4 kilo ohm, divided by 4 into 3.14 into F1 F2, that is 1.25 kilohertz into 2 kilohertz. So we will get the value of L2, that is 0.0954 Henry. Similarly C1 5.968 nanofarad and C2 equal to 106.1 nanofarad. So this is the value of C1, C2, L1, L2. Okay, now so L1 1.69 Henry, L2 0.095 Henry, C1 5.96 nanofarad and C2 equal to 106.1 nanofarads. Okay, now we have to find out the value of L1, L2, C1, C2. Student will also solve this. L1 equal to 1.697 Henry, L2 equal to 29.38 microhenry, then C1 equal to 5.968 nanofarad and C2 equal to 106.1 nanofarads. Okay, now we'll draw the T type of band pass filters. So in T type we have inductor, capacitor. Student will make the practice for this. Similarly capacitor, inductor, here again inductor, capacitor. So here it is this value is L by 2, L1 by 2, L1 by 2, twice C1, L1, C1. Okay, so we'll write down L1 equal to what, 1.69 Henry, C1 equal to 5.96 nanofarad. Similarly L1 by 2, so make this one as a half. So if after making this half, just check what will be the value. Half means 0.8 something, 0.8 Henry and twice C1 5.96 means 11 point something, twice, make it double, so it will come twice C, 11 point something, 11 point something nanofarad. So we will put the value. This is the T type of band pass filter. Similarly, I will draw the, firstly you will write down pi type. So firstly draw the circuit of pi type of band pass filters. Okay, so this is L1 C1, this will be twice L2 and C2 by 2. Okay, so put it L1 equal to 1.69 Henry, C1 equal to this one 5.968 nanofarad. Similarly, C2 by 2, make it half, that is 106, means 53 point something nanofarad. 53 point something nanofarad. Okay, so twice L2. L2 value, just take it double. So this is something like 47 microhenry. 47 microhenry. So here today we will see how to draw the band pass filter of T type and pi type. Firstly, we will draw the T type of band pass filter by configuration of T type of low pass filter and T type of high pass filter. Then afterwards we will draw the pi type of band pass filter by configuring pi type of low pass filter plus pi type of high pass filter. Now we will go for one problem. We will see the formula for L1. So L1 formula is basically R0, L1 equal to R0 divided by pi F2 minus F1. These are the formula for L1. Similarly, L2 equal to F2 minus F1 divided by 4 pi R0 F1 F2 L2. Similarly, C1 equal to F2 minus F1 divided by 4 pi R0 F1 F2. This is C1. Similarly, C2 equal to, this is just a revised one, pi R0 F2 minus F1, and L2 equal to this L2 equal to F2 minus F1 into R0 divided by 4 pi F1 F2. Okay, these are the formula for L1, L2, C1, C2. So student will also design a T and pi type of band pass filter. Make this one as assignment and just upload your solution on the Google Forms. The link already I have shared. So design a T and pi type band pass filter which R0 equal to 8 kilo ohm and F1 equal to 2.50 kilohertz and F2 equal to 2.8 kilohertz. So F1, F2, you should design a T and pi type of band pass filter. Okay, thank you.